Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I absolutely loved San Diego. It felt so beautiful and so comforting to me. The nature is gorgeous and I had so many good eats. So I'm gonna keep telling you little tips as we go for how to travel when you have eczema. How exactly do I find different cute places to go eat at that are within my diet? So I am gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, egg-free, and I don't eat fried foods. So taking it off from what we saw from the part 1 episode, if you haven't seen that, go check that out so you know what this video is about. But in part 1, I was telling you guys that I was gonna go shopping, I was gonna go to the ocean and do all of these things. I ended up going shopping, but I didn't film that at all. Plus, it's not important to people who want to heal their eczema. We want to learn about health, not necessarily fashion. So from the last time we left off, I was driving to the beach. So it was such a beautiful day. I got to go to the cove. So there's people out there. I'm FaceTiming my mommy. What? You're on my vlog. And then there's people out there swimming. I don't know if you guys can tell, but here there's a bunch of pelicans, and then there's these black birds, and then there's a black pelican right there. Yeah, be nosy and find out what this cave is.
You know what?
San Diego is one of the most magical places I have ever been. I'm so lucky I got the opportunity to visit there, see the beautiful sea lions and the seals, and all of the wildlife that there is there in San Diego. After being lucky enough to come very close to some beautiful creatures, I decided that I was a little hungry, so I went to go find a juice place in La Jolla. So I took a long walk and found a juice place called Beaming. I drank my amazing green juice and my lovely cookie. I headed on out back to the ocean and I went to go look at the tide pools. Alright, that's it guys. I am at the mall now and I'm just gonna do some little shopping. This is it. So this is my last night in San Diego. I'm probably not gonna vlog anymore. I'm gonna end up just getting some sushi, doing some shopping, and then going to sleep, and then I fly out the next day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe you learned something about how to travel when you have eczema. Let me know down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to me because I make eczema healing content. I like crashing waves, I wanna see them at first light after